Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you that how on your LinkedIn profile you can add the featured section as I have right here, where you can show your top posts or your top work. So let's begin the video. First of all, you are going to sign into your LinkedIn account. Now on the top right, click on your picture, click on view profile. Now here you will see the button add section. Just click on it. You will see these different options. Click on recommended, and here you will see add featured. Click on it. Now you're going to click on this add button, and here you can add a post which you have already shared on your profile. You can add any article that you have written. You can add a link to an external source, like if you have a GitHub profile or your design website or something like that of your portfolio, you can enter that link right here. Other than that, you can upload an image as well, and you can upload a document. Like if you want to showcase your resume, you can upload it as a document. So for this video I am just going to add a post as a featured post. So I am going to select the add a post button. It will show you all the posts that you have uploaded or reshared using your profile. So let's say I want to add this post or maybe this one into my featured section. I am just simply going to click on the feature button, and obviously you can scroll down and find your other posts as well. And the other way is that you can open your profile, go to activity and click on show all. It will show you all the posts that you have shared or uploaded, and from here you can select any post as well if you want to feature it. So let's say I want to feature my this post. I am going to click on the three dots and I will select the option feature on top of profile, and that's it. You can see you will get a message as well. Now if I go to my profile, scroll down, so here you can see both of my posts are present in the featured section. And a tip is that only upload or make those posts as featured which you think are most valuable to you or to your viewers, so it showcases your top work in the featured section. Anyways, if you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.